Hey guys, and today we're going to be opening up this Sboly. Look at this single serve coffee machine. Anyway, let's open it. Come on. There we go. Yeah. This is about a new coffee machine, and we already have a coffee machine that's now broken. But anyway, let's just This is so hard to open. Okay, there we go. Put that on the floor for now. And let's open this thing up. Ooh, shiny. I like that. Let me just go get some scissors. Okay, cut that off. Okay, put this back on just like that. Okay, now take this out of here. Take that right there. Now, I will move this to where the position I want the coffee machine to be in. So this is the area I chose. And let's just plug it in. You don't know. It's pretty much all you have to do. Just put that there and leave it. Now, we're gonna wanna take this, plug it in. Okay. Perfect. So, once that's plugged in, we're gonna need to turn it on. If I can find which button to turn on. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, here is the okay, before using yeah. Let's see here. Should have peed before this. Okay. So, where is the how to use button? Well, not the how to use button or whatever. Anyway, A. Then unlock this right here. B. Wait, where's B? What the? Wait, no. Okay. Now, let's just skip to C because B is just whatever. This is for that thing. Okay, so this thing right here. If you're gonna wanna, if you wanna put your own coffee here, let me just couldn't find it. So what you're gonna want to do is take your little spoon, pour pour coffee mix into here. Close that. And then what you gonna do, you want to take this little thing. Come on. You want to take this little thing out and replace it with this. Then, hold on. Well, since it just works the same way, we're just going to put this here for now. Now, we're going to want to close this, put this right down here, and then fill it to, let's see, how much do we fill it to? Okay, so what you're gonna do, you don't want to fill it up all the way, and you don't want to fill it up just a tiny bit. Fill it up right in the middle. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you want to take your coffee or sink thing. If you don't have this, just take the whole machine to here. So, you're going to want to move the machine from there. You're going to have to, oh shoot. Okay, move it right next to the sink. You're going to, oh, whoop. You're going to turn this around. Take off the little tape things right here. So take this little thing off. Take your sink. Take your thing right here. And then turn on the water. Just like that. We're going to fill it up right to this area. Now, take the cover, put it right on top of here. Now, we can move this whole thing all the way to here. You're going to want to do that. Yeah. Now, what you're gonna want, plug it in. Perfect. The lights just lit up. Now, what you want to do is take your normal cup, average cup. If you have a smaller cup, you can move this to right here. Okay. Right here. Very, very easy. Very convenient. So put this right here. Okay? Now, what you want to do, plug it back in and then press size. The size is about 12 ounces. So look, press size right here, and you can choose between how many ounces. Well, my cup is 12 ounces. So, now what you want to do is press ground. that turns it on. But since we don't have something plugged in right here, we're just gonna take a decaffeinated coffee. Whoa. Put it in right here. Now, you did that. Size, ground, huh. There we go. Something's happening. Oh, steam. It's working. Kind of. Come on. There we go. It's working. Yeah. And then, perfect. You got your cup of coffee. Well, I'm just gonna give this to my dad. This is decaf coffee, and he doesn't like it just black, so he's just gonna take some milk and pour it into here. So, anyways, that is the unboxing for the Sboly coffee machine. Anyway, goodbye.